Remind me to do a better job of labeling my bolts next time. I think these are the ones that fit here. I think they seem to screw in. All right, how much torque? Enough to hold the tensioner bolt. Nope, that ain't it. This is probably it here. Yep. I'm almost positive that's it. All right, now I think I'm supposed to pull this out. At least I think I'm supposed to pull that out. Yep, it jumped out when I pulled it out. So that is tight. I guess the next thing I want to do is put the these in. All right, do they have a left and right? There's a difference in them. One slightly longer than the other. Oh, left bank, right bank. There it is. Left bank, right bank. Now, I'm gonna go out on a limb and say that this being the left bank, be this side. So I'm guessing I'm just guessing. Put this in like this. Okay, I think it goes like that. One of these is gonna go on that side also. These look like they're the exact same. I don't see the markings on them. They look the exact same. I can't see the difference, so let me grab a damn screw. Uh-oh, this don't fit. Yeah, it fit. Oh, hell. I'm gonna can't go that way. Come on. Come on. Come on. I guess it goes this way. Oh, wait a minute. It does got some numbers on it. But it don't say which way. I'm putting this in backwards. All right, the reason I stopped the video was, give me a second, I'll show you. I thought I had lost two of these, were missing, and I took this off last, and I put these two in another box, separate from the other parts. That's the reason why I'm short of two. Had me worried there for a second. I went to watch the video to see that I put these in the right spot, and I have. I thought I put this one wrong, but I didn't. One guy talked about he don't put these on until after he put the chain in. I'm gonna see, can I do it like this? Had me worried there for a while. Next time I do this, I'm gonna be a lot better at it. Yeah, I do plan to do this again. Not on this engine, but I plan to buy another Northstar. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these up. I don't think they're going to come out again. Okay, all right, I don't think the chain matter which goes which. I don't think. But I do know this. The chain that goes in the back need to go in first. Fall! Fall, you bitch. Yeah, this chain needs to go in first because this, like I said, it's got to go on in the back. So you lay it like that. This one, oh, also I looked at the video and this was not lined up. When this was pointing straight up, I looked at my video, this was not lined up. It was like over here. All right, so now I do remember this gear here. I do remember this gear here has the notches for the camshaft sensor. I don't know why I'm doing this. It's gonna get right back dirty. So I need to it goes like this. I need to put the cams in the right spot. Let me do that. That cam, from my understanding, it need to be straight up. Now, they talk about a special tool. Man, this one don't fit. Man, this, I got a chain. This one don't fit. Why it don't fit? I hope they ain't put my damn cams in backwards. I thought each one would fit. Yeah, so why the fuck it don't fit here? See, gonna get this to come up. All right. It looks to me like it's standing straight up. But I think I'm gonna start with the back gear first, which would be this one. All right, the guy from Northstar Performance. Now, I'm using his advice on the camshaft timing, but I'm not buying his freaking products. Now, he said these should be 90 degrees. 90 degrees would be like that, in case you didn't know. 90 degrees would be like that. Same thing there. So those are pretty straight. Oh yeah, I gotta put the damn gears on. All right. From my understanding, they say the only gear that matters is the camshaft sensor. Any other gears supposed to be able to go wherever. I kind of believe that because it says LE, LI, left intake, left exhaust. All right, I'm glad I took a picture of this. It's gonna make it a lot easier. Oh hell, where's the bolt? Where's the bolt? Where's the bolt? The nut. Where is the nut? Well, I guess all the nuts are the same. Not nuts, bolts. Man, I think I can put these in. Okay, so now let's take the chain. And we got to, there's a bolt. All right, we're over that bolt. And we got to pull the chain, this part here. You probably heard me talk about how I get angry when people who have never worked on a car try to tell me how to work on a car. It pisses me off when people do that. I was watching, I don't know his name. I guess it's Daniel's son, the guy from the Car Wizard. I can't stand the Car Wizard, but I kind of like that guy. I was watching one of his videos, and he was talking about how to get the cam shaft from moving, how to stop it from moving. How about this? He said to take the clamp off, put a piece of paper in there, and then clamp it back down. I did that. And how about it don't move no more? It does not move. And I didn't torque it down. I just tightened it down using a 3/8 wrench. And now this cam doesn't move. And I put long piece of paper on it so it remind me to remove that paper. Also, I wanted to look at the cam journals or whatever. They ain't the best in the world, but they got a little lines in it. It's not perfect, but it's got 160-some thousand miles. I don't think they're gonna lock up though. So anyway, this change is not gonna move no more. I mean, this gear is not gonna move no more. So I can now tighten this up. Actually, in this field, this is pointing straight up. At least I think it's pointing straight up. So I want to pull the chain tight, and it falls right on the gear. Now I'm hoping This one is pretty, it's slightly that way, but we're gonna see. Go back. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, I guess if you start counting from number 1, it's 8. I think this is it. I think this is it. This is tight. This is loose, but when that thing click on, it gets tight. I think that's gonna be it. And if not, I don't know, I have to do it again. You know, I'm gonna take the paper out and show you what the journal looks like. Hey, this got loose when I did that. I ain't worried about it. Like I said, when that, oh, it's still kind of loose. I ain't worried about it. I got so damn lazy. Just a piece of paper. I folded a few times, and it's not bad. It's not bad. I think I'm gonna use the same paper, but I'm gonna put some goose on here. Hell, I should have put it in here. Ooh, does it matter which way it goes? All the numbers are upside down, so it's upside down, so I guess that's where it goes. You know, I think I am gonna put that on. I am gonna put the tension on there. I don't want that thing to slip off, and I have to go through this crap again. All right. How much torque? Well, it was a little tighter than I thought it would be, but it's an 8mm bolt. I was able to move those only slightly. Yeah, it'll be all right. So I'll go back and check all of them. Yeah, they tight. Yeah, they tight. The machine shop I went to is a professional shop. I mean, they've been around for a while. So, now is there a difference? Yeah, they look the same, don't they? Yeah, I think they are the same. I think. Yeah, I think they're the same. Yeah, I think they're the same. Got that one going in. This one wants to act up a little bit. Why this one act a little beat? The hole is lining up. And sometimes they just want to be a little difficult. I watched somebody's video and they was talking about how somebody put sealant behind these. And the guy said it was unnecessary to put sealant behind here. Alright, this one tight. That one's tight. So let's pull the plug out of it. It's tight. I think that's it, guys. I believe that's it. Oh yeah, the guy talked about taking a wrench and take a wrench and do something to tighten this up to make it click. Some kind of way he took a wrench and made it click, but I think that's tight. Yeah, I think that's, yeah, y'all heard that click, right? I think that's tight. I think that does it.